What is the sign in my daily life that I am arrogant? We all say it, young and old. When someone tells you something, you say, I know, I know. Immediately you pushed away a possibility of truth, a possibility that you are wrong. I didn't say you're wrong, but is it possible? Like Imam Shafi'i, when he disagreed with people, and he was right. Most of the time he was right. You know what he said? He never said, I'm right, who are you, what do you know, go and study. He said, my opinion is right and could be wrong. And your opinion is wrong, but could be right. No more arrogance. When you say to somebody, I know, I don't need your advice, what are you saying inside you? I am more knowledgeable. Once you say, I know, you're telling the other person, I'm more knowledgeable than you. Who are you to tell me? We say that all the time. Yes or no? Memorize this hadith engrave it in your heart. لا يدخل الجنة من كان في قلبه مثقال ذرة من كبر. The person who has, she or he, has an atom weight. What is the atom? What is the dharra? Can't see it. Atom weight of arrogance, they will not enter Jannah. It's a huge problem. It's a huge problem. And we human beings, exactly, sometimes, please forgive me, I don't mean you, I mean me, act exactly like shaitan. True or false? He said there is many ways in the Quran. I'm just going to give you whatever Allah bring to my memory. أَأَسْجُدُ لِمَنْ خَلَقْتَ طِينًا? I. This is shaitan speaking to Allah in Surah Al-Isra. I gonna prostrate to who you created from mud. How do we say same way, but we didn't say this? Think in your life. When you say me doing this, that's especially if what you are supposed to do or someone asking you to do is pleasing to Allah. Because that's what he said to him. قال ما منعك ألا تسجد إذا أمرتك. Look at Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He's talking to shaitan. He wanted to know the reason. He didn't judge him right away and look at him. He said, why didn't you prostrate when I asked you, when I ordered you? Allah, the creator, saying to shaitan. And he said, أنا خير منه. I'm better. خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين. You created me from fire. You created him from clay. What did Allah says immediately? It's in Surah Al-A'raf again. That's why I told you it's in Al-A'raf. What did immediately Allah says? فَهْبِطْ مِنْهَا, go down. He didn't get him out yet. He said, فَهْبِطْ, go down, because he was with Allah. Status. And then I'm going to come to our life. He is with Allah, highest. He said, فَهْبِطْ مِنْهَا, go down. Why, Ya Allah? فَمَا يَكُونُ لَكَ أَن تَتَكَبَّرَ فِيهَا. You cannot be arrogant in Jannah. And then he said, فَخْرُجْ إِنَّكَ مِنَ الصَّاغِرِينَ. Leave. Leave. I want you to think of yourself. Eat time alone. And say, when was the last time I said to somebody, I know, oh, I've done this before. Don't think of people you know, then you didn't learn. This is how we learn reality. The problem is not we don't know. Most of you probably have heard this before. The problem is I don't know it is me. And I don't know I'm doing it in my daily life. Because if I don't know this, how I will change? I don't want to end up in Jahannam.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم